How to download and install Sage 50 Accounting. Steps to download Sage 50. 1. Go to the Sage 50 download portal. The official download portal is the safest and most reliable source for your software. You can find it here, http://support1.not.sage.com/self-service/. 2. Choose your product from the given list. If you cannot find your product, then click on See More Products. 3. Here chosen Sage 50, United States, product and select your version and edition. Click on Sage 50, US Edition, Download Portal. 4. Download the installer. Click the download button for your chosen version and edition. The file will be a .exe file, typically named sage50.exe. 5. Save the file in a convenient location. You can save it to your desktop or downloads folder for easy access. Steps to install Sage 50. Installation steps for Sage 50 Accounting. 1. Double-click on the sage50.exe file to initiate the installation process. 2. Browse for the destination folder and click Install after reviewing the requirements in the Install Shield wizard prompt. 3. Before proceeding, turn off your antivirus software. Click Next after reviewing the installation instructions. 4. Read the license agreement, check the box to agree, and click Next. 5. In the window, tick the box for auto-configure the Windows firewall and click Next. 6. Enter the serial number from your order or download notification, figure 1.6, and proceed by clicking Next. 7. Select No and click Next. 8. Select This computer is the server option and then click Next. 9. Choose the installation options for file locations and click Install. 10. The installation will commence. 11. Click Next on Sharing Company Data. Sharing Company Data. 12. Select Company File option and then click Next. Company File. 13. Installation completed. Installation transformed. 14. Open Sage 50 from the desktop. 15. Click on Help, and select Sage 50 Activation, Licensing, and Subscription options from the drop-down. 16. Click Activate Online Now. 17. Once activated, click OK. 18. Sage 50 is now activated. Restart your system and start using Sage 50. Email, info@thesagenext.com. Phone number 1-855-922-7243. Visit www.thesagenext.com. Thank you.